What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring with another math challenge. This is a pretty easy one. It reads as follows. The area of the square is 36. What is the circumference of the circle? Now, this is obviously not drawn to scale. I just want to make sure that you guys know that, um, I'm aware of that. But however, always pay attention to the information in the problem. So the circumference of the circle, first we need to figure out what how to apply this area of the square. So if the area of the square is 36 and the area of a square is typically side squared, then that means that each side of the circle is equal to 6. Okay? If each side of the circle is equal to 6, then that means that straight across for the circle, each side of the square is 6. Half of the circle of the radius is going to be 3, right? And so then the area of, I mean, not the area, but the circumference rather, of a circle is 2 pi r, or in other words, 2 times pi times the radius, or 6 pi is the circumference of this particular circle. Remember, the circumference is the measure of all around, like the perimeter of the circle, essentially. Let me know if you got this. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.